Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and this video is inspired by Gail Rogers. Thank you very much, Gail. You commented on one of my videos the other day that you would prefer a different color than I used, and that inspired me to make this video for you guys because it was an excellent comment, and I wanted to show you an easy way to play with colors and compare different colors and different fonts and things like that and see which one you like best. And so let's start over here and let's go, let's do an Instagram post, and we're just going to grab one that is here already. I guess it doesn't really, let's just take this one. I don't think it really matters which one we grab. But this is something that you can do. And so we have this one here, which was the one that was made by Canva. So then let's go up here where it says copy, and it's going to copy the entire thing. So now you have two that are identical. Okay, so then let's play with this one a little bit, and let's change the background. And let's make it blue. And of course that blue is not the blue we want, but let's try and match kind of the blue that's in the picture. Or maybe we shouldn't. Maybe we should make it a darker blue. Ooh, I like that. Okay. And then maybe we could change this font to, you know, just something like that. Maybe make it just a little larger. Okay, so now what you can do, I think that's cut off there a little bit. Okay, so then go back and forth and see which you like the best. Well, maybe you want to try a little bit more. So let's copy it again. So now we have three. And let's try making this background brown. So let's go, we're going to do orange. I don't know if I've ever used brown before, so this might be interesting. But yeah, so we've picked the orange, and then we've gone and made it dark to try and get, I'm trying to get kind of the color of the dog there. Oh, yeah, that's almost the color of the dog, which is almost too dark, actually, I think. But anyway, thanks to Gail for this video, because you can do this and then you can flip back and forth and say, okay, well, maybe the brown is better than the blue, or I like the blue better than the brown, or I like this font better than I like this font. So it's a great way to get a quick visual of your graphic in different styles so that you can decide what looks the best, what pops the most, and what you think appeals to you. So that's the end of this video. I hope this is helpful. Actually, I'm not going to end it here because I'm going to pick one, and then I'm going to show you how to get rid of the rest of these. Okay, so the brown is what I have decided I like. So then just take this trash can, delete, this trash can, delete, and then you can go up on here and download just like you normally would. Okay, now this is the end of the video. So thank you very much for watching. Leave me comments, and I appreciate all of you very, very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye.